How to measure and install a secure view screen to an unknown brand OX sliding window. Welcome to another Starline Security video. Before starting with the measurements, always check the frame color, location and size of the window frame. The Starline Security Ordering Portal has a large list of standard and non-standard color selections to choose from that will match the customer's home. When measuring an unknown brand, measure the channel for the required frame thickness, or better yet, have 9 and 11mm window samples with you to check which frame is best. In this case, a 9mm screen frame is the best choice. Measure the width from inside the side channel to the outside fin on the mullion side. The measurement this time is 880mm. Remember to calculate the deductions to add in the ordering portal. In this case, deduct 5mm for a manufacturing size of 875mm. Measure the drop from inside the bottom sill U channel to the bottom lip of the top U channel fin. This measurement is 1140mm. The top U channel is quite deep, so all we need to do is add 7mm to the minimum size, and we've got our manufacturing size. 7mm is more than enough to allow the security screen to be installed and fixed off properly, while allowing a small degree of twist needed over the width. Manufacture size for the drop is 1147mm. Install the security screen. Carefully lift the screen into the top channel and the jam side channel. Twist the right corner across into the mullion side. Move the screen from the bottom into the jam side, then do the same with the right side. Your screen should drop nicely into place. Align the screen square, then mark out the screw fixings measuring 100mm from each corner. Screw in the middle on the sides and use a 9.5mm security screw. Pre-drill the lip before fixing the screws. Fix the top, jam side and bottom. For the mullion side, use custom 11mm straight cut security screws. The 11mm screws will reach the inside of the mullion fin, providing a safer security window installation. Clean the area once you finish. There you go. Want to know more about installations, videos, or want to become a Starline security dealer? Contact us for more information.